Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to English lesson with Madam Liana. It's story time. Now, for this activity, I want to ask you about what do you think the story is all about, and can you tell the time on the clock? Okay, look at these four pictures. Can you guess what the story is all about? Very good. Next, I want you to look at the clock on the wall. Number one, what time is it? The answer is it's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. The shorthand is at number 11 and the longhand is at number 12. So if the longhand is at number 12, we should use o'clock. Do you still remember? Good. Picture number 2. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. Shorthand is at number 1 and the longhand is at number 12. So it's 1 o'clock. And the picture number 3, what time is it? It's 1:30. Why we use half past over here? Because the longhand is at number 6. Remember, if the longhand is at number 6, we use half past. Okay, how do we choose this one? Okay, look, the shorthand is between number 1 and number 2. It's in the middle. So we choose the previous number, which is number 1. Very good, everyone. Now, I want you to listen and read the story. You can refer to your Get Smart Plus 3, page 12. Now, I want you to listen to the audio in the first picture. Let's listen. It's 11 o'clock and Marcy is at Jerry's house. What's your dog's name, Jerry? Her name is Sally. Okay, now I want you to read along. It's 11 o'clock and Marcy is at Jerry's house. What's your dog's name, Jerry? Her name is Sally. Okay, very good. Now, listen to the first audio. Sally has got curly hair just like me, but my hair is blonde and her hair is brown. Don't stand up, Marcy. Now, please read together. Sally has got curly hair just like me, but my hair is blonde and her hair is brown. Don't stand up, Marcy. Listen. Listen to the first picture. What's the time, Jerry? I have a karate lesson at 3 o'clock. It's 2:30. Can I see it now? Okay, now you have listened. You have to read along. Please read together. What's the time, Jerry? I have a karate lesson at 3 o'clock. It's 2:30. Can I see it now? Very good. Next, the picture number 4. So you have to listen first. Well, do you like it? The value of this story is don't play tricks on your friends. Now, read together. Well, do you like it? The value of this story is don't play tricks on your friends. Do you enjoy the story? Very good. Just now you have listened and read the story. So now I want you to talk about what happens in each picture. In the first picture, can you explain what happened in the first picture? The two children, Marcy and Jerry, are at Jerry's house. He is painting a portrait. Marcy asks Jerry his dog's name. For picture number 2, can you tell me what happens? Marcy realizes how similar her hair is to Sally's hair and excitedly goes to stand up. Jerry tells her not to stand up because he is painting the portrait. Can you tell me what happens in picture number 3? Marcy is tired and it's time for her karate lesson. She wants to see the portrait. For picture number 4, can you tell me what happens? Jerry shows her the portrait he painted, but Marcy is furious or angry because it's a portrait of the dog, not her. Let's move on to the comprehension questions. Read the story and answer these questions. For picture number 1, I will give you 2 questions. Number 1, what's the time? Try to answer. The answer is it's 11 o'clock. Question number 2, what's the girl's name? Try to answer. The answer is her name is Marcy. For the second picture, the first question is, has Marcy got brown hair? The answer is no, she hasn't. Question number 2, has Jerry got brown hair? The answer is yes, he has. For the third picture, the first question is, has Jerry got curly hair? Please try to answer. The answer is no, he hasn't. He has got straight hair. Question number 2, what time does Marcy have a karate lesson? The answer is Marcy has a karate lesson at 3 o'clock. Well done, everyone. And the last picture, picture number 4. Question number 1, does Marcy like the painting? The answer is no, she doesn't. Have you got all correct answers? If yes, very good. It's the end of our lesson. Don't forget to do your revision and homework in Google Classroom. Lastly, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Goodbye.